The gap between people who use AI and people who don't is growing every single day. Very soon, it won't matter how talented you are. You will be replaced not by a machine, but by someone who uses one. Let me show you exactly what is happening in the job market right now. In 2020, Goldman Sachs published a report saying AI could affect 300 million jobs globally. Most people laughed it off. They said it was hype. They said creative jobs were safe. They said relationships and human touch would always win. Fast forward to today, lawyers are using AI to draft contracts in minutes that used to take teams of paralegals days. Doctors are using AI to read scans with higher accuracy than human radiologists. Engineers are writing production ready code in hours instead of weeks. Financial analysts are running 10,000 variable models in seconds. Marketing, finance, law, medicine, engineering, architecture, journalism, design, no industry is untouched. But here is what the headlines aren't saying. AI isn't just replacing the bottom of the ladder, it's eating through the middle. The roles that used to take 10 years to get good at, AI can now perform the core functions of those roles in minutes. So, what does that mean for you? It means the question is no longer will AI affect my industry? The question now is, are you the person who uses AI or are you the person being replaced by someone who does? In every industry right now, there are three sets of people. And I want you to honestly ask yourself, which one are you? You see, the first type of people is what I call the denier. This set of people are saying AI can't do what I do. They believe their experience protects them. They think their relationships, their reputation, their years in the game make them immune. But they are wrong and they will find out very soon. The second set of people is what I call the curious observer. This person knows AI is happening. They have played with ChatGPT once or twice. They've read articles and they say, I really think this is cool and this could be more. But they haven't committed themselves to using AI. You see, they are watching from the sidelines, waiting to see how it plays out. But by the time it becomes obvious on what to do, the opportunity window must have closed. The third group of people is what I call the AI operator. This set of people aren't waiting. They've already integrated AI into how they work. They are doing in 1 hour what used to take 1 week. They are taking on clients, projects, and opportunities that were previously impossible for one person. They are not just surviving this shift, they are winning it. The scary thing is this: the gap between the type 2 and the type 3 isn't intelligence, it's not money, it's not access, it's decision. One decision to start, one decision to learn, one decision to stop watching the shift and start riding on it. Well, I'm not here to scare you, I'm here to tell you exactly what to do, and I will talk about that in 3 steps. Step 1, stop thinking about AI as a tool. Start thinking about it as a team member. The people who are winning with AI aren't just using it to do one thing faster. They are using it as a thinking partner, a researcher, a first draft writer, a data analyst, a strategist. When you start treating AI as a capable team member, your entire output multiplies. Step 2, identify the highest value tasks in your work and find the AI tool that handles the low value version of it. If you are in sales, your highest value is in relationship building and closing. AI can handle prospecting, research, and first drafts of outreach. If you are in finance, your highest value is judgment and strategy. AI can handle data gathering, modeling, and report generation. In every field, there is a split between where your human value lives and where AI can take the load. Yours is to find that split. Okay, so step 3, you have to commit to a 30 days of use of AI. All right, you need 30 focused days of integrating AI into your actual workflow, not just experimenting with it on the side. Okay, so you have to use AI in your real work to meet real deadlines, real stakes. Okay, because that is where the shift happens, not just in, you know, learning it in the classroom, but actually using it to work, practicing with it, doing the real job with it. Okay, so here is where I'm going to leave you. All right, you now know what's happening in this AI era. You know the three types of people in this shift, and you know the three steps to start moving. The only question left is, what are you going to do with this information? Because information without action is just entertainment. If you want to go deeper, if you want a structured path to becoming an AI systems operator, we have built the Sceng AI Academy, where professionals, entrepreneurs, and teams across Africa make this transition systematically. We are not just teaching theory, we are building real AI operators. So the link for this is in the description. All right. So if this video made you think, you have to subscribe, share it, and forward it. Put it in the front of someone who needs to hear it, because the people around you matter, and this shift is going to affect every one of them.